What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STPDIESEL, and here we go with another quick shop action episode. And today I want to talk about something that can be highly controversial, can make you look bad, make you look good. There's a lot of debate about it, whether who's right, who's wrong, who's good, who's bad, right? So, and that subject is warranty. Warranty repairs for shops across the board, and warranty repairs with us here, and why I like to be different and I like to set the tone in being different with warranty. So we're not perfect, we're all humans, we make mistakes. You know, we install these parts, sometimes it's an installer error, sometimes it's a part failure. You know, it just happens. It's the way of the life. It's the way it is, right? There's no perfect anything. Things happen. The thing that sets us apart as shops is what happens when that one thing goes bad or doesn't go our way. So here at STPDIESEL, we offer a 1-year unlimited mile, no BS warranty. As long as you're not out there abusing the truck or you're negligent with it, right, where you physically damaged it, then that's on you. But if it's a part failure or workmanship failure, we cover it for 1 year, unlimited miles. Even further than that, because sometimes, like this one right here, what you see here is a stage 2 transmission for a 6.7, right? 6.7 power stroke. And it's been on the truck for about 2 years. This truck right here behind us makes about 800 horse to the wheels, and the transmission started shifting pretty bad and whatnot, and it's starting to give the guy troubles. Now, this thing's been on the truck for 2 years and it's taken a beating, but at the end of the day, we built this truck for this client to handle the beating. We're not gonna sit here and say, oh, well, you do whatever and it's part of the, no. We knew what we put together. The customer relied on what we recommended. We recommended this transmission, and we recommended all the upgrades and repairs done to this truck. So we're gonna stand behind that. Now, this manufacturer that did this transmission has a warranty more than 2 years. So we're gonna go, if the manufacturer warranty is more than ours, we honor theirs, and obviously labor is included in that. So again, we give a no BS warranty. We're there from you from the beginning to the middle to the end. We're always there for you. So that's one thing that I take great pride on. So, you know, for clients, sometimes, you know, you get that phone call, oh, it was doing it, you know, from the get-go. I just didn't bother to call till 3 years later. There's no need for that. There's no need for nonsense. We're pretty honest with what we do, and we honor everything we touch. We're pretty straightforward with that. So again, I just kind of wanted to touch base on that. So we love all the love and support, and I wanted to make that clear that we stand behind you, and I'm going on record as for that. So there's no BS for that. So thank you guys again for all the love, support. If you guys have any questions on anything we do here, even on our warranty stuff, always feel free to give us a call at the office or hit us up on social media. We're always willing to chat. Peace.